Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JOBS4HIRE. This is HRM Class 6. I'm gonna to teach for BBA and MBA students. Today's the topic is job analysis, job description and job specification. Let's talk about job analysis. Job analysis means studying and collecting information about the job, which means simply we say what work has to be done and what skills are required. There are two outputs, JD, JS. JD means job description, JS means job specification. Let's talk about JD. JD means what employee must do in the job. It includes duties or task, job title, responsibilities, working conditions, reporting manager. For example, let's go for job description. So, for suppose what the HR do, he source candidates through different job portals, conduct interviews, screening, coordinate with the hiring manager, and maintain daily recruitment reports. It means what work to be done. Next, second one, job specification. It means who is suitable for the job. It includes qualification, experience, skills, age or gender is optional, personal traits. For example, job specification. For suppose qualification means MBA or BBA or any graduate. Skills means communication skills and negotiation skills. Experience 0 to 2 years and basic computer knowledge is required. So here this means skills required for the job. Job specification means skills required to do the work or job. So let's see the difference for JD and JS, job description, job specification. Job description says what the job is. What here job specification means who can do the job. So it focuses on duties and responsibilities. JS focus on qualification and skills. And this is job centered. JS is person centered. For example, JD, task to be done. For JS, education skills required. This is the real-time HR example. So, for suppose a company has a HR recruiter. So, what HR recruiter do? JD, JS, job description. So, what the job description will have? What will the recruiter do? Which means what work a recruiter do. What do? Source candidates, screening resumes, schedule interviews. Right? For job specification, who can do this job? Who can do? Good communication skills should have. Skills like MBA, HR, basic computer skills or basic computer knowledge needed. So it means worker. JS represents worker, JD represents work. Find this video useful. Please do like, share, subscribe for JOBS4HIRE for more updates, and let's see in the class 7. Thank you. Bye bye.